is 3 things in Explore GPTs that you have never heard about, or even if you have heard about it, I promise it's going to amaze you. It's the best custom versions of GPTs ever. So, as I said, come in here to explore GPTs. I know, you don't have to care about the conversation. I don't really care, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to be like, create an image of Chat GPT. I know, this is just a weird thing to do, but I'm just picking something random. I'm not going to do something weird. I'm just picking something random. Just keep in mind that I am fast forwarding. Well, not exactly, but I'm cutting out multiple parts of this video, so you might not see all the parts of this video. Here's the image of ChatGPT as a friendly futuristic AI. Let me know if you like any would have any changes. So this is pretty cool. So this is the first one. What I like is about this is you can maybe create thumbnails for your YouTube channel, post it on Twitter. You can do a lot of things with this. The second one is called Video Maker. So you can make good cool videos with ChatGPT. So you can be like, create a video about how to grow. Create a video about how to go on Facebook. Now they're just going to ask you a few questions. So now it's going to be like, here are 2 different ideas. They're just going to ask you to choose which one. I'm just going to choose the second one. I don't really care. Now it's going to give me a title, a script. Now you might just want to create the video yourself. Or you could be like, yes, create the video. Now you're going to click confirm. Now it's going to start. Now it's going to be like, oh, your video is posted. So you got to click here. So now, as you can see within Video AI, it's creating the video for me. So yeah, I'm not going to spend obviously 10 minutes. I'm not going to cut out 10 minutes. It takes forever. But I just want to let you know how to do this. Okay. Third one, if you come in here to explore GPTs, it's called Tutor Me. So what it's going to do is you can be like, it's going to tutor you. It's like your personal assistant tutor. So it's going to be like, give me 3 math problems that will prepare me for the national world test in sixth grade. Just for example, I'm not saying you have to do it, but so now it's going to tutor me. Now you can just solve the problems. Now, if you come in here to tutor me again, you can ask him any questions like, teach me all about shapes. It's going to teach you about shapes. Sure, let's start with the basics. What do you know about shapes already? I'm just going to give some examples. I'm not going to name all my shapes. So now it's going to ask me about the questions. So that's the free AI tools that might be pretty helpful for you. If not, I mean, I'm not saying it has to be helpful for you. If not, obviously, it doesn't have to be helpful for you. So anyways, I want you guys, again, please guys, smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. I'll definitely see you later. I love you guys. Thank you.